Looking for two-way radios? Look no further than the industry leader in wireless communications. The Midland GXT1000 two-way radios are versatile for every user. Whether you're on the farm, in the woods, at an event, or on the river, Midland's two-way radios are there to suit your needs. Midland's industry-leading two-way radios combine Noaa weather alerts with weather scan, whisper mode, and a dynamic HD audio. They also have 10 call alerts, an emergency SOS siren, channel scan, and 9 levels of Evox hands-free operation. The GXT1000 has up to a 36-mile communication range, with 50 channels of crisp and clear communication to choose from. Get out faster and stay out longer with Midland's two-way radios. Midland's GXT1000 two-way radios are lightweight, durable, and JIS4 waterproof, allowing you to be out in any weather condition. The GXT1000 value pack comes with 2 radios, a pair of headsets, AC/DC adapter, desktop charger, and 2 batteries. Midland's GXT1000 two-way radios also come with an unbeatable 3-year warranty. For better safety and communication in the outdoors, go with a proven leader, Midland.